Contingency tables. The management of a sports club analyzed data to determine how many members of the club used the swimming pool and what gender each swimmer was. The data is presented in the table below. Determine the probability that a member selected at random is a swimmer, male and does not swim. Are the events female and use the pool mutually exclusive? Justify your answer using the values in the table. Are the events male and use the pool independent? Show all calculations to support your answer. Solution. We have been given a contingency table. We can simply read the values off the table and answer the questions. The total number of swimmers among the members is the total of the members under the column use the pool. The total number of members in the club equals 152. Probability of member is a swimmer equals n members who use the pool over n members equals 92 over 152 equals 0,605. Probability of member is a male and does not swim equals n male members who do not use the pool over n male members equals 34 over 83 equals 0,409. We can see from the table that there are female members who use the pool. Probability of A intersection B equals 43 over 152 equals 0,282, not equal to 0. The two events are not mutually exclusive. Let event C denote members who are male. Probability of C equals n male members over n total members equals 83 over 152 equals 0,546. Let event B denote members who use the pool equals n members who use the pool over n total members equals 92 over 152 equals 0,605. Probability of C and B equals n male members who use the pool over n total members equals 49 over 152 equals 0,322368. If two events are independent, then probability of event C times the probability of event B equals probability of events C and B. Probability of C times probability of B equals 83 over 152 times 92 over 152 equals 0,33050. The events are not independent, as there is a discrepancy in the values from the second decimal place.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Mesky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.